Hello, welcome to DVC Summer 2019 Math 142 Introduction to Statistics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for online homework and also go over the calculator that you need to get for this course. To sign up for online homework, you go to Google and then you Google My Stat Lab. It's a system that's provided by our textbook from Pearson. I have set up a set of online homework platform for you. So all you need to do is to get yourself registered. So get registered. Okay, register now. And to sign up for the homework that I have set up, you do Chan, enter the course ID Chan 83465. 83465. Okay, and then click continue. Now, you need to create a PSN account if you don't have one. So it's very easy. You just need to provide them with a valid email address, which is the same as your username. So these two fields should be the same. Provide your password and then your first name and last name, which should be the one that you use in your roster. Okay, and then after that, you do the accept the license agreement and create an account. For myself, I have an O account already, so I'm just going to use that one. If you have an O PSN account, you can use it also. For people that has do Math 142 before and you have used PSN for doing online homework, you can sign up for this to switch to this platform that I have. So sign in. So you should be presented with this screen. If this doesn't show up, temporary access without payment for 14 days, which is really good, you probably need to sign up a new, use a new email address or username. Because if you have used your account for free access already, this would not show up. They will force you to pay using the access code. So if you have an access code from getting the access from a book that you get from the bookstore, you enter the access code here. Or you can do credit card or PayPal, which is $104.99. And if you don't want to pay now, you can actually click this to get temporary access without payment for 14 days. You can always upgrade, okay? So you should have access to the course after this. Again, if the temporary access does not show up, use a new email address. Okay, so this will show up, DVC Summer 2019 Math 142 1054 by K. Chan. You click on the course and this will show up. So there's a lot of option here for you to work on. What you usually do is you go on here to do online homework. So at this moment I have set with the orientation homework and also homework for chapter 1 for you to do. So let's get started by doing some orientation question. Say I want to do question 6 because this questions has some, you know, thing about the data. So let's say they ask you, oh, there's a data set, so why don't you add the numbers in the data set? So what you do is you go to your calculator. If you click this, actually you can copy the data in a clipboard or Excel or StatCrunch, which we don't use. But you can also, just look at the data here and then put in your calculator. In our course, we use like a graphing calculator. So, and then you say 55, and then you check answer. And if it is done, then they say next question. Okay, so you can also go to other question without going sequentially. So say for example, oh, this is a question about practicing decimal and percent. If you forgot how to do them, you can click here, question help, click view an example, which will provide you with an example that's almost the same as what you are asked to do. So you can read it, and then after you're finish understanding it, you can do your homework. And if you keep getting, stuck, you can also click Ask My Instructor, and then it will send me an email about this with along with this question, and you can type your answer. You can type your question here, and I'll get back to you. So this is how you do homework, and when you're done, you don't have to. I think you can save, but I think for each individual question, they will save individual. The other one that you might be interested getting is the chapter content, which is the ebook for this textbook that we have. I do not need a physical copy because you can obviously get access to the each chapter. You can also get access to the ebook by going e-text. They're different format. I don't know. This provide you with access to each chapter. The e-text, I think, provide you with access to all chapter. Some student might want to get access to the multimedia library, which provides some videos that the publisher recorded for the course. So some students find it useful. And then gradebook, keep a record of what percentage of each homework that you did. I do not use the gradebook here because the grade content or for each of the homework, I record the grade on Canvas. So this is a record for you, but I do not use the gradebook on my stat lab. Okay, so if you're done, then you can, obviously sign out. Or where do I sign out? I don't know. Oh, here, outside of the screen. After you sign out, you can sign back on. And if after you're done with sign up, you can log in. Don't have to go through the register anymore. You can just do My Stat Lab. But My Stat Lab sign in. Yeah, here. Sign in. Yeah, here. So you sign in directly. Use the Gmail account as your username, like that. But okay, so you click on it and then you go back to redo your homework. Okay, so once you register, you don't have to re-register anymore, and you can get the free access for 14 days. Okay, so that's My Stat Lab. So go ahead and sign up because you can get free access without paying for 14 days. The second thing I want to do is introduce what is available on campus. So you log on to DVC's campus with your web advisor Insight ID. You should see this course, and then you would see modules like this when you log on to the course. Currently I have set up the introduction and syllabus module and also lecture slides. I will upload lecture slides and also formula later. But you can take a look at the syllabus. You can take a look on how to register for the MyStatLab platform. And here is the one that I want to go through, which is the calculator. So these are the 3 calculators that I want you to get. TID4, most people get TID4. You can also get TID4 plus CE, which is the color one. A little more expensive. The cheapest one is TI83. So all these are okay. Latest is the second week, but as soon as possible. Okay, so that's it. I think if you want to go ahead and look at lecture slides, I will upload some more. Oh, and also one interesting area that you can look at is grade. If you click on grade here, you can see all the grades, including online homework grades. Files is on home. Grades is what your grade is, and then yeah, that's it. Okay, and if you have any question, you can email me My email address, you can look at the syllabus. Email address is kchan@dbc.edu. Okay, see you.